Hi and welcome to Web Manuals Tutorials. In this video I will be showing you what's new with the administrative functions and the left side blue menu in version 8. So starting from the top, we have archive documents. All the functionalities remain the same, but now you can sort the columns and the restore button has been moved to here. After clicking Restore, you can choose where to locate the document. Here under Compliance, we can see the compliance libraries now load a lot faster, and you can see the icons here on the right have also slightly changed. Checklist, amendments and tasks have been moved to here. Note that amendments has a different layout now, and you can navigate from changed, added and removed requirements. One of the biggest changes and improvements in version 8 is that you can now search for requirements by number. And you can also now filter to see which documents are referring to the library, and even filter to only see the connections to specific documents. Manage Libraries has received an important upgrade. Click on a library, choose a revision, and as you can see, adding one or several lines works like in a spreadsheet. Simply click here to add a line, and you can also type in the number directly and press the plus. The levels of requirement numbers receive color codes, and requirements can be moved up and down via the drag button on the right side. Please note that everything needs to be saved at the end. Under Users, we can see the Manage Users has received a visual overhaul and a few extra features. You can now sort the columns, and by clicking here on the filter icon, you can choose which columns should be active. And now every user has a login log that can be found here in the overflow menu. Under Modules we have abbreviations, and this now shows a collapsed list of all abbreviations. This number indicates how many pages are connected to each abbreviation, and clicking here on the arrow will expand the abbreviations to see the list of references. You can edit and delete abbreviations here in the overflow menu. You can add abbreviations here, and under the Actions button, you can import, export, and delete all. Diagrams have now been moved here under Modules, and they give a full overview of all the diagrams available at all times. You can expand here and get a preview of the diagram, and an overview of which documents use the diagram. Here in the Overflow menu, diagrams can be renamed, duplicated, or deleted. And down here you can create a new diagram. Reports contain the same information, but with a new layout and much faster loading. Under System, Settings also has a new and improved layout. The main additions are General. Email templates can now be found here, and this is where all the outgoing emails can be created. Documents. Under General, the removal of the revision bar can now be activated. Tags can now be created and applied to documents. Workflows are now shown with a vertical list. and the workflow items can be clicked on to expand and define their functionality. Role configuration has been moved here under the FB area. This is where we can define operation critical categories. The integrations menu item is new to version 8 and allows for a better overview and easier setup for our different sign-on providers, partner solutions and Webmanuals APIs. Emails is now only showing a log of sent emails, but runs much faster than before. And finally, licenses still show how many users are active in your site, but now also shows information on documents and even states a list of additional products purchased. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more Webmanuals tutorials.